Do you want to make money online, but don't want to invest, and you want to do it completely for free? If that's the case, then you have clicked on the right video. I will show you arguably the best method to make money online in 2021, and it requires no experience, no talent, and minimal effort. I did some research, so I can confirm that this method is 100% legit. But do you know the best part about this? After I show you how it's done, you can repeat it again and again, as many times as you like. Before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, show your support by smashing that like button, and if you don't want to miss out on other opportunities that can make you a lot of money, hit that subscribe button as well. With that said, let's jump straight into the video. The first thing that you want to do is open up Google and type Google Translate. I think it's safe to say that we all used Google Translate, either for our homework or to translate something we were interested in. But did you know we can actually make money using Google Translate? Make sure you watch the whole video, so you don't miss anything, and so you can optimize Google Translate to its full potential. There are countless businesses that will pay you good sums of money to translate texts from different languages. But you don't need to speak any language other than English, because we can translate everything by simply using Google Translate tool. And the best part about this is that it's completely free, and you don't need any money to start doing this. Google Translate will simply do all the hard work for you, while you collect all the profits. I will show you a few websites on which I made hundreds of dollars, starting from the least paying website, and finishing with the most paying website. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch the whole video to learn everything necessary, and let's move into our first website. Okay guys, so the first website is the least paying one, but it's the best website to start on. But you don't need to worry, because I will show you the best paying website at the end of this video, but meanwhile you need to understand the basics. So our first website is called GoTranscript.com. The link for this website is in the description, so if you can't find it or for some reason you can't visit the website, check out my video description, and the link for this website should be there, and it should navigate you right here where I am. This website pays 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute. The average earnings per month on this website are $150, and the top monthly earnings are up to $1,215. You will easily reach the $1,200 mark, since you will be using Google Translate, and therefore you will be fast and very effective in translating. Keep in mind that this is the lowest paying website, and the other websites pay even more. This can be a great side hustle opportunity, or something that you can build into something even bigger. Okay, so how do you start? It's simple. You just need to click this Apply Now button, sign up, and you are ready to go. Isn't it amazing? And it gets even better. You can do all the work from your home. All you need is a computer or a notebook and an internet connection. You can even work directly from your bed. They will send you your money weekly to your PayPal account, so you don't have to wait 2 weeks or even a month like in regular 9-to-5 jobs. You can create your own schedule, so you can work during the day, or during the night, it's up to you. You can even work weekdays if you feel like it, or don't. No one is going to boss you around, because in this job, you are your own boss, meaning, you can even choose the projects you want to work on. If the project is too hard or you are not comfortable in doing it, simply go right to the next one and no one is going to say a thing. So this is GoTranscript.com, pretty cool, right? If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and make sure you are subscribed as well, so you don't miss any new money-making opportunity. Alright guys, let's get back to the video. Are you ready for another site? This one is called GMRTranscription.com, and it pays even more than the site before. As you can see right there, there are tons of businesses associated with this particular website. For example, Microsoft, Amazon, McDonald's, Yale, University of Oxford, and many more, so we know that this website is legit and that it can make us a lot of money. You can read more about the company right here if you are interested. Look, they have been even featured on Forbes. Now we know for sure that this is a legit business. Now, you need to click on Careers, right here. This is where stuff gets interesting. We are welcomed by quote, "Transcribe better, earn better." If we scroll a little bit downwards, we can see that their transcriptionists or their translators typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Now we are talking. This is definitely better than the previous website that promised between $150 to $1,200 per month. As you can see, we are steadily climbing the ranks and we will soon get to the best website, but stick with me for now. As you can see right here, their transcriptionist will earn more if they are willing to take more difficult assignments or files with expedited turnaround times, but this is not a problem for us, since the Google Translate will do all the hard work and more for us. And the next sentence says that their transcriptionists become more experienced, they will start earning more income for the same amount of time they put in, meaning that if you manage to do this for a longer period of time, you will be rewarded more for the same amount of work. This is truly an amazing feature. To apply, you just simply click right here on this button that says click here to apply, and you are ready to go. And as you can see right here, there are no fees, and there is no experience needed for this job. Also, you will work from home and you will set your own pace and own schedule, and no one will boss you around, because now you are your own boss. You can even watch this lady's testimonial if you want to be 100% sure this is a legit way of making tons of money. And at the very bottom, you can see all the websites that recommended this business, and happy translators that do this for a living, and you can be just like them, with just Google Translate tool and internet connection. This is all for the second website. Now let's move on into our final and the best website for making a lot of money. Okay guys, now I will show you the last website that is by far the best website for translators and transcriptionists out there. This website is called Rev.com. And as you can see right here, they have the biggest businesses coming to their website. Businesses like Viacom, CBS, PBS, and TCM. Since they have this huge business giants coming to their website, they can afford to charge them more than everyone else, meaning that you will also get the most money out of any other website. You can see right here how much they charge their customers. They charge $1.25 for regular transcription, but they charge up to $7 for foreign subtitles. Their prices are very high, and you will get a great cut out of this money. So what you want to do is scroll down and click on careers, and then click on freelancers, which will take you to this exact website. You will earn money transcribing or captioning from home. This right here seems pretty standard, right? Create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, get paid weekly. We have seen all of this before. But if you scroll down here, you will see that if you know a foreign language, you will be paid up to $3 per audio or per video minute. But you don't have to know a foreign language. As long as you have Google Translate, you are all set and ready to translate for this website and earn big. And as you can see right here, they have been featured in many great magazines, including Forbes and Business Insider. Now we know that this website is 100% legit, and you can make an absurd amounts of money right here, with just your computer and Google Translate. You can read more information about this job right here, but by now you have heard it all. So what you want to do is click on this sign up to be a Rev freelancer, and you are ready to go. And that's it. Before you go and become a translator or a transcriptionist, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell, and make sure to smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.